Hello, and welcome to the Information on Demand 2013 Agenda Builder. This tutorial will walk you through different parts of the Agenda Builder, from signing in, updating your profile, searching for sessions, adding and removing sessions, roadmaps, and drop-in labs. Now let's get started. If you are signing onto the site for the very first time, you will need to create a sign-in. From the center of your page, click on the Create Sign-In link. This brings up a box where you will type in your email address and the confirmation sent to you in your registration. From here, you will be asked to create a password and then confirm it. It has to be between 8 to 20 characters. And sign in. Now that you have created your sign-in and password, you are brought to the My Profile tab. Here, you can update your user profile. As you can see, your first, last name, all of the information that you created in your registration is here, and if you update it here, it will not change your registration status. Here you can see a button for showing your profile in the attendee directory. It defaults to yes. By clicking on it, you can change that to no. This answer determines whether other conference attendees can search for you in the attendee lookup, or whether they can see the details of your profile. On the right hand side, you can see the Connect with Me links. Here you can add additional ways for other attendees to connect with you through website or blog, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, IM, or your mobile number. After you've signed in, you can always return to this page and type in your email address and password and sign in. Going to the Agenda Builder, this is where you will search for sessions as well as view your previewed agendas. If you created any preview agendas prior to registering using the Session Preview tool, or if someone assigned a preview agenda to you, it will be available on the right side under the section called Preview Agendas. Here you can see I have 3 preview agendas. You can also search for other agendas created by other guests. I will type in DB2, and as you can see, there are saved agendas with the subject of DB2. Simply click on Reset to remove those, and it will bring up your agendas. Next, we can search for sessions. By clicking on the magnifying glass on the left tab of the Agenda Builder, you can search for sessions by program, track, subtrack, activity type, dates, or times. Let's do a search. For program, we'll select Business Analytics. Then for track, we'll select Performance Management on Sunday and Monday. And then you'll click on Search. Let's pause here and see what we have. As you can see, there are 11 for Business Analytics and Performance Management on Sunday or Monday. Using this arrow is how you will add or remove the session to your agenda. Here's the session number and title in blue. Here's the day, date, and time of the session, and these are elective sessions. If you scroll down, you can see the other types are labs, drop-in labs, or birds of a feather. Here's the room, and if you hover over it, you can see more detail about the location. The diamonds with the red and white are in the South Convention Center, and there are others that are blue and white, and they're in the North Convention Center. By clicking on the Show Details, you can see the frequency of the session, you can see the session description, and the speaker's names. If you click on a speaker's name, you'll see the speaker's bio, their title, company name, and a way to get in touch with the speakers, either by email or Twitter or message. Clicking on Hide Details will shorten it up, and it will take you back to the search results. Upon finding a session that you want to enroll in, simply click on the blue arrow to the left of the title. If the session is open seating, the session will be added to your agenda with the status of open seating. If the session is a hands-on lab or a usability sandbox with limited capacity, the session capacity will be verified, and 3 possible statuses will be displayed to you. Confirmed enrollment means you have successfully enrolled in the session. Standby means the capacity of the session has been reached and you've been placed on the standby list. And if the standby list is full, you'll receive a message letting you know that the enrollment is suspended at this time. You can add as many open seating sessions to your agenda as you want. Conflict checking will occur if you try to add a session and a hands-on lab or usability sandbox to your agenda at the same time slot. If a conflict occurs, you'll be given the option to resolve the conflict. If you choose to resolve, a tab will open showing you the other session options and providing you the ability to remove the sessions from your agenda. In the Agenda Builder, on the top right corner of your screen, you will see the Roadmaps section. Expand the roadmap by clicking on the plus sign and then click on the Select Category drop-down. There are 3 different roadmaps you can choose from: Topic, Role, or Product. By clicking on a roadmap title, it will open a tab with all of the associated sessions, giving you the option to enroll in the sessions you wish to participate in. And finally, drop-in labs. Also on the right-hand side of your screen, click on the plus sign next to drop-in labs. Similar to roadmaps, you can select a program, business analytics, enterprise content management, and information management. Select the program, and then you can select for the drop-in lab which lab you wish to attend. A box pops up revealing the details of the lab and allows you to block off some time on your agenda to take the lab. Drop-in lab hours are Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday from 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Thursday from 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Alternatively, if a hands-on lab also has a drop-in lab component, you can click on that lab and add it to your agenda as well. And finally, now that you have found the correct sessions and labs you wish to attend, you can view them all by clicking on My Agenda. Here, you can view your agenda by days and types. You can also print your agenda or save it to a PDF, email your agenda to yourself or to a coworker. You can also download it to your calendar with an ICS file. The agenda is automatically saved and stored for you and is available the next time you sign in. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to the tutorial on your session agenda preview for IOD 2013. We hope you have a wonderful show.